In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine cell contents from two columns in Google Sheets. If you have information split across two columns and you want to bring it together into one clean column, Google Sheets makes that very easy. This is especially useful when you need to combine items like first and last names, city and state, or any two pieces of text that belong together. In this example, we'll use a simple formula that joins the contents of two cells with a space in between, so the final result looks neat and readable. To get started, go to your spreadsheet and find an empty column where you want the combined results to appear. Click into the first empty cell in that new column. For this example, you can use cell C2 if your original data is in columns A and B. Once that cell is selected, type in the formula exactly like this. Equals a 2, space. Ampersand, space, quotation mark. Space, quotation mark, space. Ampersand. Space. B2, written out as a formula. It looks like this. Equals a 2 ampersand, then a space inside quotation marks. Then another ampersand and then B2. What this does is tell Google Sheets to take the content from cell A2. Add a single space, and then add the content from cell B2. That space in the middle is important because without it, the two values would run together. After entering the formula, press Enter on your keyboard. You should immediately see the two cell values combined into one result in your selected cell. If everything looks correct, you are ready to apply the same formula to the rest of the rows in your sheet. Now move your cursor to the bottom right corner of the cell that contains the formula. You'll see a small blue box there. Click and drag that blue box downward through the rest of the rows in your column. This copies the formula down and automatically adjusts it for each row. So a 3 combines with B3. A 4 combines with B4, and so on. It's a quick way to fill the entire column without retyping anything. As a final tip, double-check a few rows after filling the formula down, just to make sure the results are appearing the way you expect. If they are, then you've successfully combined the contents from two columns in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching.